guys, Tarina here. I post videos every Wednesday and Sunday, so if you like luxury unboxings, reviews, travel, and lifestyle, come join our LuxHandbagLover family by subscribing to my channel, hit that like button, and make sure that you have your bell notification turned on to be notified for my future content. I also post every day here on my Instagram, so come find me, let's be friends, and I'd love to see what you're up to as well. Okay, so today's video is very exciting and very special, and it's dedicated to all of you. Everyone who has supported my channel, all of you have been really awesome. I love meeting and getting to know each and every one of you. So, I recently hit 500 subscribers here on my channel. Again, thank you so much. I always say thank you a million times, but it's really true. I just love meeting new luxury friends. You're all my luxury family now, and I love to not only interact with you here, but also on Instagram, and to also see what goodies you get as well. It's super fun, and you guys are all amazing. Finally, before I share the piece that I'm going to give away, I just finally wanted to share that on this channel, and what I hope to do is to not only do giveaways at milestone numbers and subscriber counts, but also ad hoc. So that means just when I feel like it. So I just wanted to share that there will be a number of giveaways to come, not only when I hit amazing milestones, but when I want to give back. Again, the ultimate goal of why I do these giveaways is to thank my LuxHandbagLover family, those who are super supportive, you know, watch all of my videos, comment down below. And so, you know, there may just be something on a whim. I see someone who comments on my videos or watches my videos, you know, a lot, and I just want to thank them. So stay tuned. Thank you to everyone who supports me, and I hope you're okay with that, you know, getting more free, awesome things as a thank you. So, as a thank you, I decided to do another giveaway after meeting that 500 subscriber giveaway. So who's ready? Who wants some free Louis Vuitton? Let's do it. Okay, so in my last video, as most of you saw, I did do a shop with me. It was my very first vlogging experience, and it was, you're all very positive, and I'm just glad that you enjoyed coming along with me. As I've shared before, I don't really have any luxury friends here in the Seattle area to go shopping with, so I just tag and bring my hubby along. A few of you saw him in the reflection, so thanks for calling him out. And I did a poll on my Instagram. Sounds like you guys also want to meet him, so I will also do some future maybe a husband tag or something. He actually knows a good amount of my luxury brands like Louis Vuitton and Chanel, because I can't stop talking about it. I just love, you know, all of that. Maybe I'll do a little quiz for him. I think that'd be really fun. Anyway, during that shopping trip, I not only got some goodies for myself, which will be shown in my next video, but I decided to get my 500 subscriber giveaway items. So I decided to get you all something that I really love and think is super cute. So here is the box. It's super gorgeous. I want to just, you know, show all of you the awesome piece that you would be getting. So here's the ribbon. We will just take that out. Awesome. It comes in the awesome box. I did also ask my essay about the box shortage. I've seen a number of unboxings here on YouTube and heard that people who purchase Louis Vuitton pieces through their website are not getting boxes. You know, they're just getting the item in a dust bag and like scrunched into a shopping bag. And so I know a lot of people are disappointed with that, and I'm so sorry. I did ask her, I said, hey, I'm noticing that there's a box shortage. Is this true? What's going on? And she was like, yes, unfortunately, due to the pandemic, the vendors that they work with who create the boxes had to shut down production. And, you know, there's a situation where, you know, they can't have too many people in a workshop together to create the boxes. So that's really slowed down, and, you know, that's affected that. So unfortunately, that is true, that box shortage. Anyway, sorry, I'm blabbing. I know you just want to see the item. Okay, so it comes with the box. It comes in this really cute little dust bag. So let me put this box down. It's so cute. Okay, so the item that I'll be giving away in my giveaway is the gorgeous cosmetic pouch in the monogram print. It is so cute. It's amazing, super, super cute. So it's one piece of the monogram. It has a gorgeous gold zipper at the top. You know, zips like butter. It's super smooth. And then it comes with that washable, you know, lining and interior. So again, it's functioned as a little cosmetic pouch. It is super, super cute. So this is the item that I will be giving away to one of you. I'm super excited. I hope you all love this. I mean, again, free Louis Vuitton. I want this channel to be, again, as a, you know, I want to thank all of you who support me. So as I grow, hopefully, and everyone that I've met, I want to take you along with me, and I just want to thank each of you. So I hope, you know, these giveaways and giving you luxury items, especially in this weird pandemic situation that we're going through, I hope that that helps. So this is the item that you are going to be able to win in my next giveaway. So what do you have to do to enter, or how can you be eligible to win this item? Let's talk about some of the steps and what will be valid in terms of an entry to winning this beautiful piece. So I'm just looking down because I have some notes so I don't forget. Okay, so the entry period for this, actually, let me see if I can put this cute little piece here so you can look at it. There we go, somebody's new piece. Okay, so the entry period is open now. So once I post this video, and this video is live from 12 a.m. Pacific time, Wednesday, August 19th. So this is the open time. So if you see this video and see it live, it is now open. My giveaway's open, and the entry period ends on Wednesday, September 9th, at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. So it will be open for about a few weeks, just to give everyone the opportunity to see this video, enter, and do all of that. So open now until Wednesday, September 9th. And then there's a couple of steps that, you know, looking for all of you to do to guarantee your entry. So first thing is to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel here. So LuxHandbagLover, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That's number one. Number two, like this video. So hit that like button down here below on this giveaway video. Step three, comment down below on this video with the words "enter giveaway" in all caps, if at all possible, just to help as I'm going through the comments. So enter giveaway in all caps. Include your IG handle so that I can make sure that I link your entry on YouTube and Instagram. And then also include where you're watching me from. I'd love to know. I am, again, meeting all of my Lux Handbag Lover family, all of you as my friends. And it's just been really fun to know where all of you are watching from and where you live. I'm meeting amazing people, not only here from the United States, but Asia and Europe. And you guys are just the best. I just want to know. I'm really curious. So those are the 3 steps here on YouTube. And then there's just a couple other steps. So step 4 is Instagram. So heading over to Instagram, make sure that you follow me. Again, my handle is @LuxHandbagLover. So same name and username here on YouTube. So follow me. Step 5, like my giveaway post. So I will be posting a giveaway post that just go ahead and hit that like button on that post. And then the final step on Instagram is to tag 2 friends. So tag 2 friends who you think would love my luxury content, my channel, or would love to win this beautiful Louis Vuitton cosmetic pouch. And then one other step is to like my Facebook page. I will link that again down below. It is just LuxHandbagLover, my name across all of the platforms. So go ahead and hit that like button on Facebook. So I've included the steps here just so you can take a look, and I will make sure that I link all of your entries on all of those platforms. So I'm super excited. And then also I did do a luxury tag here on YouTube. So I did create my own tag. It is called the luxury this or that tag. So I will link that up here if you haven't seen that, so you can check it out. So anyone who creates a video sharing that tag, so answering those questions, following that tag, will also get some bonus entries. So if you do that, you will get 3 bonus entries. And again, if you do that, make sure you tag a couple other friends to do that tag as well. So again, the list is here. I'm super excited to go ahead and gift someone this really, really cute cosmetic pouch in the monogram print. It's such a staple item, and you definitely can't go wrong. So I can't wait. So that is my 500 subscriber giveaway item, the Louis Vuitton cosmetic pouch. So thank you again to each and every one of you who have supported me here on my YouTube journey. You guys are all amazing. If you like this type of content, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you join me in my next one. Thanks so much and have a great day.